Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss notes of the chapter Understanding Diversity of your civics book. First of all, what is diversity? Diversity in India? India is a country of vast diversity. India is a country where we have seen various differences. So it is a country of vast diversity. People speak different languages. You see people who from different backgrounds and whose mother tongue is different from yours. So आप बहुत से ऐसे लोगों को देखते हो जो अलग-अलग तरीके अलग-अलग क्या है लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं, ठीक है? After that, celebrate different festivals. Some of you guys are from follow Islam. Some of you follow Christianity. Some of you follow Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism. So you have the you all have every religion have some important festivals. So you all celebrate different kinds of festivals, and some of us celebrate the like common festivals. Okay, eat various types of food, different types of foods. We are eating different types of food. If you are from like Bihar or Jharkhand, you like to eat litti chokha, and if you are from Tamil Nadu, you like to eat idli, dosa, sambar, rasam, etc. Okay, and if you are living in Rajasthan, so we like to eat dal bati churma or our traditional food items, right? So after that we pray differently. Okay, we all have we all like have faith in God, okay, but the way we remember God is different. We all remember the God differently, pray them differently. Okay, people dress differently. They dress differently according to their choice, according to their customs. People greet each other differently. People greet other. Some of people greet by saying namaste. Some people say Jai Jinendra. Some people say Assalamu Alaikum. So there are different kinds of words used for greeting each other, greeting people, right? After that, so all these diversities, differences we see in India. हम ये सारे differences क्या करते हैं इंडिया में देखते हैं. After that, factors influencing diversity. What are the factors which influence diversity? Influence. What is the meaning of influence? Which uh, आप ये बोल सकते हो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं वो जो इन्फ्लुएंस करती है, मतलब प्रभाव डालती है. ठीक है, आप बोलते हो प्रभाव, इस चीजों से हमें प्रभाव पड़ता है, फर्क पड़ता है, इफेक्ट करता है. ठीक है, व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स व्हिच इफेक्ट डाइवर्सिटी? First factor is historical and geographical factors are the two factors that influence the diversity of a region. एक particular region का, एक particular area का जो हिस्टोरिकल और जोग्राफिकल फैक्टर है वो बहुत ज्यादा क्या करता है, उस जगह को इफेक्ट करती है, इन्फ्लुएंस करती है. जस्ट वी हैव सीन इन द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ we have seen in the area of Ladakh and Kerala. They both are located in India, but if we go to the geographical factors or historical factors, some things are common, but some things are highly differentiated. Okay. After that, life of people near the sea is different from the people in a mountainous area. We have seen in the example of Kerala, the people live there very differently as compared to the people live in the Ladakh. Ladakh is a mountainous area while Kerala is near the sea. So वहाँ का जो living standard है, living style है, वो काफी different है. After that, Ladakh. Ladakh is a land with awesome physical features and is set in an enormous and spectacular environment. I already explained you and I already give you the example, already give what is there in Ladakh and what are the factors which influencing that land system. So Ladakh is a very beautiful area, very beautiful place. Okay, the physical features are very beautiful. Okay, environment is very beautiful, clean. Okay, it is surrounded by the world's mountain highest. Sorry, there is वर्ल्ड के जो हाईएस्ट माउंटेन रेंजेस हैं, ठीक है, द काराकोरम इन द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में कौन से माउंटेन्स हैं? काराकोरम, एंड द ग्रेट हिमालयाज इन द साउथ, एंड साउथ डायरेक्शन में कौन से हिमालयाज है लद्दाख के? द ग्रेट हिमालयाज. आफ्टर दैट केरला. Kerala is located in the southwestern part of India. As you have seen in our last class, Kerala is, where is Kerala located? It is located in the southwestern part of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other side. Okay, so at western part of Kerala, it is surrounded by sea, and at eastern part of Kerala, it is surrounded by hills. Unity in diversity. Okay, unity in diversity is the phrase coined by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the former Prime Minister of our India, first Prime Minister of India. He said, unity in India, what it means? It is a land. India is a land of different religions and communities. We all see different kinds of religions and communities in our surroundings also. Okay, in movies also we see there are different kinds of people live in India. There is a great diversity in our habits and customs. In your class itself, you see students from different backgrounds. They have different habits and different customs. Okay, but we all live together as Indians. But we all study together. Okay, you all are studying together. You all live together as Indians. Okay. A unity in diversity has been the distinctive feature of our country. This is the very powerful strength. Okay, unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. This is the greatest strength of our country. Okay, now exercise part. Your first question is, you have to match the following columns. First, Discovery of India. Who write this book, Discovery of India? Discovery of India is written by. Who will tell me the answer? Who wrote Discovery of India? Discovery of India is written by, yes, Boom. Is written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. Who composed our national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore composed our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Okay. Pashmina. Pashmina is a shawl, wool. Okay. So where do we find Pashmina? We found Pashmina in at Ladakh. Boat race. बोट रेस कहाँ होती है? At the Onam festival in Kerala. Kesar Saga. Kesar Saga is a Tibetan epic. Okay, so Kesar Saga, Tibetan epic. After that, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre कहाँ पे हुआ था? Amritsar. It is located in Punjab. Okay. Your next question is fill in the blanks. Both Kerala and Ladakh were influenced means affected. Okay. Kerala and Ladakh दोनों किससे इफेक्ट हुए थे? Both Kerala and Ladakh were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. Chinese और Arabs हमने देखा कि लद्दाख में भी चाइनीज थे, अरब थे, इस्लाम फॉलो किया जाता है, यहाँ से चाइनीज ट्रेड किया करते थे. So both the areas, both the region were influenced by Chinese and Arab. Ladakh is also known as Little Tibet. Why we call Ladakh as Little Tibet? Because all the trade routes, जितने भी ट्रेड रूट्स होते थे, स्पाइसेस जाते थे, सिल्क, कॉटन, वो कहाँ से होते हुए जाते थे? वो लद्दाख से होते हुए टिबेट, चाइना में एक टिबेट प्लेस है, वहां पे जाते थे. और इवन ये भी बोला जाता है जो बुद्धिज्म आपका रिलीजन है वो टिबेट से होते हुए चाइना गया था. Next, utensils used for cooking in Kerala is known as, what we call the utensils. Utensils means बर्तन, जो घर पे बर्तन देखते हो आप, जहाँ जिसमें खाना पकता है, आप खाना खाते हो, they are called utensils. Utensils used for cooking in Kerala is known as, क्या बोलते हैं हम उनको? चीना चाटी बोलते हैं, और चीना चाटी कौन से वर्ड से डिराइव हुआ है? चाइना से डिराइव हुआ है। कास्ट सिस्टम इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ, अगर आपकी सोसाइटी में या कहीं पे भी कास्ट सिस्टम को फॉलो किया जा रहा है तो वो किस चीज का एग्जाम्पल है? इट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी। ओके, your next question, dash discovered sea route to India. Who discovered sea route to India? Vasco da Gama discovered sea route to India. Vasco da Gama ने sea route. Okay, next, very short questions and answers. Your first question is define diversity. What do you mean by diversity, or define the term diversity? The sense of variety that exists in the traits. Traits means characteristics. Traits, looks, behavior, culture, religion, language, abilities, resources, and opportunities related to different people is said to be diversity. We have read the whole chapter about diversity. क्या होती है diversity? The sense of variety. जो variety exist होती है, जो variety present है, कहाँ कहाँ पे है? आपके traits में। आप सबके characteristics क्या एक जैसे हैं? सबकी strength, weakness क्या एक similar है? No. The variety that exists in the traits or characteristics, looks, हम सब different दिखते हैं, behavior, हम सबका behavior अलग होता है, culture, religion, language, abilities, हमारे पास resources different होते हैं, opportunities हम सबके पास different आती है. So all these things which we see as variety is known as diversity. Now next question is, mention the different religions that are practiced in Kerala. Now, what are the different religions practiced in Kerala? The people of Kerala practice many different religions such as Judaism, Islam, Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism. These are the main religions that are practiced in Kerala. How was Indian flag used during the freedom struggle? Indian flag को freedom struggle के time पे कैसे use किया गया? During the freedom struggle, the Indian flag was used as a symbol of protest. कैसे use हुआ था? Symbol of protest against the British by people everywhere. After that, give one way in which Kerala and Ladakh are different. एक ऐसा तरीका बताइए, एक ऐसा कोई भी वे बताइए जिसमें केरला और लद्दाख जो था काफी डिफरेंट था. Kerala is famous for cultivation of spices, while Ladakh is famous for growing wool. केरला में spices बहुत ज्यादा फेमस थी, और लद्दाख में क्या ग्रो होता था? लद्दाख इज फेमस फॉर वूल, ऊन के लिए फेमस है. Define resources. What do you mean by the term resources? Anything that can be of any use in any activity is said to be a resource. कोई भी चीज जो किसी भी एक्टिविटी में काम आती है, आपके लिए काम आती है, उसे हम रिसोर्स कहते हैं. पानी क्या है? रिसोर्स है. आपका घर बना है, उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें लगी हैं, वो क्या है? रिसोर्स है. So anything around you, ठीक है, which will be of any use in any activity or anything is said to be a resource. Okay. Now short question answers. What do you think living in India with its rich heritage of diversity adds to your life? क्या add करती है इंडिया में रहना? The rich heritage of diversity in India adds variety to our life and enriches our life in many ways. कैसे क्या क्या varieties हमारी लाइफ में ऐड करती है? डाइवर्सिटी टीचर्स अस टू बी ओपन माइंडेड. डाइवर्सिटी हमें ओपन माइंडेड मतलब हमें अपना दिमाग खोलना, और हमें कुछ चीजों में सीमित रहना नहीं, हमें फ्लेक्सिबल रहना सिखाती है. ठीक है. एंड टॉलरेंट एज वी लर्न मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम ईच अदर एंड शेयर आवर एक्सपीरियंस. ठीक है. हम एक दूसरे से बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं. ठीक है. हम अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस को शेयर करते हैं, जिससे कि क्या होता है, हम अपने आप को बड़े नजरिए से देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. पूरे वर्ल्ड को बहुत बड़े नजरिए से देखते हैं. हम उसको कुछ एकदम मिनिमाइज करके नहीं रखते हैं कि नहीं बस ये है तो यही करना है. नो, वी ओपन आवर माइंड एंड वी बिकम मोर टॉलरेंट. We celebrate different festivals together and learn different languages, cultures, etc. Okay, as you have seen in school, we celebrate different kinds of festivals here. Okay, we learn different kinds of languages here. You learn Sanskrit, Hindi, English. So, and at some places there are many more languages they learn. So we celebrate different festivals together. We learn different languages. We learn different cultures, etc. Okay. By sharing some national symbols, a sense of friendship and unity develops. Okay, national symbols, हम कुछ जो national symbols हैं वो share करते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे हमारा Indian flag है, we share only flag, इंडिया का तो वो एक ही flag है ना, हम उसको शेयर करते हैं, जिससे कि एक हमारे अंदर ना यूनिटी की फीलिंग आती है, फ्रेंडशिप की फीलिंग आती है, ठीक है? Next question, draw up a list of different festivals celebrated in your locality. Which of these celebrations are shared by members of different regional and religious communities? So there are so many festivals you see uh, or you celebrate in your locality, like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Lori, Raksha Bandhan, etc. There are so many festivals we celebrate in India. Okay, so some of these will be celebrated in your celebrated in your locality too. But some festivals are like just in national festivals है हमारे Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These three are our national festivals. So it is celebrated by all the members of regional and religious communities. You see, at every school we celebrate these festivals. Okay, और सब जगह क्या है इन festivals को celebrate किया जाता है. Your next question is, how do Kerala and Ladakh different in terms of their geographical features? Kerala और Ladakh अपने geographical features में कैसे different है? Kerala, it is a state located in southwest corner of India. Ladakh, it is located in northeast corner of India. Kerala is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other. Ladakh is surrounded by mountains. Kerala, fishing and agriculture are the main occupation. And Ladakh में main occupation क्या है? Cattle rearing. Okay. Now long question answer. India is a country of much diversity. Explain giving examples. We see India as a diverse country. Okay, so what are the things which we see as diverse nation? We speak different languages. Examples क्या है? We speak different languages जैसे कि हिंदी, पंजाबी, गुजराती, etc. Okay. We eat different kinds of foods such as chawal, dal, rajma, idli, roti. Okay. We celebrate different festivals. क्या-क्या celebrate करते हैं? Holi, Diwali, Eid, Gurpurab, Christmas, Vaisakhi, etc. We practice different religions like Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, etc. We wear different types of clothes such as sari, blouse, kurta, pajama, shirt, pant, etc. Okay, students. I think this chapter will be very much clear to you. Is very much clear to you. Now, if you find any, I don't think you will find any other problem in this chapter. I explained you so deeply. But फिर भी अगर कोई problem आती है, do ask me. Okay. Thank you for joining the class, everyone.